So I do realize that this is not wise, probably, but I'm doing it anyway because, frankly, I don't know what else to do. I am very lost in the world, and maybe some advice would be good. I'm very confused and worried because I've lost everything in life. I used to run two businesses. I ran a computer business, a support installation business, and I taught Taekwondo. I had schools in Barnet and North London. So both of those businesses are gone now because I had a brain injury in 2015 and my whole life basically is wiped out. I plain don't know what to do to recover from this situation to fix my broken life, and it has got complete mystery. I believe my finances are gone. I believe I have no money left. I used to have extensive savings. My marriage was finished. I'm divorced now. I'm a father to two children who I don't remember because of my injury. The only thing I know about my children is that I have two children. I don't know their ages, I don't know how old they are. I do know their names, James and Sophie. And that's absolutely all that I know about my children. So I am wondering how I can possibly recover from this situation. With no memory, no money, no property, no businesses anymore, no marriage anymore. I don't know about access to my children. I don't know my children anyway. So I don't know how I can be useful to them as a father. Life is an absolute insanity, and I do not know how to recover from this. I do not know how to build a life again from this situation. As I said, some advice might be good, but I'm starting from less than zero in trying to rebuild. So it is an absolute mystery on how I can build a life again.